which has a breakout level here. And we are going to previous week's high, low, in a 1, 2, 3 manner. 1, 2, 3. And we have a nice little break here. Look at that, triple top. We haven't quite made it, so it would be nice if we actually can make it into that level. And then roll over. But EA actually looks ready. A larger 3 push pattern visible on the 15-minute. We have a gap down, which has not been filled. That's an important note. Might go for a gap fill. Okay, so we got a 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3. And then on the smaller time frame, on the 5-minute, we have a 1, 2, 3 up here. One, two, three. Okay, and we're pushing back up. We have a breaking structure here. On the 5-minute. On the 15-minute, we didn't quite get a breaking structure. Not the way I like it. Then we have a 1, 2 resumption. We are in ascending wedge here, trying to go up 1, 2, and then I would like to see a 3. We didn't quite make it to the week level. I'm going to make an exception today because GU ran away without me. I would like to see a clear finish on this. And then let's see in terms of stop loss. How much of a stop loss do I need? How much is this? Is 340. So 5 would be all the way up. I can actually probably go higher. 3 and have a 3-point stop loss. Let me check the spread before I get into trouble. 1.4. It's a pretty large spread. 3 points. This is 3 points, but I have a 1 point. Yeah, we'll go down. We'll go down to what I had before. It's not looking like I'm gonna get the third push. Let me see if I have a 3 push pattern here. 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. Not looking optimal for me just yet. Then we'll check how other things are looking. DAX is just selling off. WTI is selling off. Didn't give me what I wanted. Let's see. 1, 2 now. 1, 2, 3. FTSE looks most promising. Still, GU is making its way all the way back down. WTI. It's a shame WTI didn't give me a better signal. Oh well. There we go. I'm waiting for this push. Come on, let's see that. Then if I 1, 2, 3, I would like to see another topping pattern up here. And then we can potentially go for a short. 1, 2, 3. What's more important is this here, 1, 2, 3 up. I marked this as the high of day because then we went in up rather than up here. And so we may come back to that level. we go. Nice strong push. Very good. After a break in structure, have a 1, 2, 3 as well. Nested. 1, 2, 3. That looks all good. And then footsie 1, 2, 3, maybe 1, 2, 3. Looks promising. Breaking structure, getting a 3 push pattern. We have a 1, 2, 3 as well. That's good. Now we are in the last stages. We need to see, are we going to get a topping pattern here? What doesn't look so good is this hourly, because this hourly has been bought up from by a bar low. Don't like that. We do have, is this the same? Don't think so. Yeah, I've marked this as 1, 2, 3. We'd also have an hourly 1, 2, and 3 here. All right. Could also be that this doesn't count and say 1, 2, and we're getting one more push up for a 3. The bottom almost after the break structure. Careful, we're gonna potentially get an engulfment. That's the case, I will have to lower my stakes. Do you have a finisher? 1, 2, 3. If a 1, 2, 3. And a 1, 2, 3. Telling you. Look at my risk. A bit lower than normal, but that's okay. I'll increase it a little bit because of the spread. We have engulfed the entire structure. The last 3 pushes up. With increased stop loss, my risk is about what it usually is at. That's not good that we're not getting a follow through here, that we're getting buyers stepping in. This, you want to have the entire structure engulfed, not what we're getting now. But it always can happen around these peak formations that we're trying to bounce, fail, and then finally see a follow through. Four minutes away from the Europe Open. I think I need to close my position on EA because we're getting more follow through to the upside as I would like than I would like. We'll see. Very good. Glad I didn't close it. I'm considering reducing my risk. And then EA, which I have shorted, it did not work out and it's actually pushing higher into this level, maybe making a 1, 2, and then 3. Good that I got out at break even on this one. We have on EA gone up pretty far, and we are not at my key level anymore. You can still look at this as a key level. You also look at ignore this push, and if this is a 1, 2, 3, you sometimes can ignore pushes if this is within this range, then it'd be once it breaks that range, that's a 1 and then a 2, and then the 3 would be up here. And so my previous attempt to short this was potentially premature. We do have a very large bull bar on EA up here. So that's something to consider. And in terms of smaller patterns, we do have a smaller 1, 2, 3 with a 1, 2, 3 finisher. So this is indeed something that's still in play. And I will be watching this for a potential third hour reversal. That does look feasible to me. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 finisher. So this is looking good for shorts. I'm really liking this. We're adjusting our count, we said, right? With a 1, 2, and 3, and a 1, 2, 3 finisher. That is going to happen because it's about to close. Very large bull bar could be a potential exhaustion. Let me look at the stop loss I would have to use in order to go short underneath here. Yeah, I would have to increase my stop loss. How large is this? Yeah, it's 10 points. I might get a better entry. So we are now in a triangle, you can see here. Large bar halfway, trying to push up. I need to see a topping pattern here. If I want to go short, you have to 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3 could also be the case. We have 14 minutes until we close the hour. A short underneath this bear bar for an A top reversal could be made. I'm not going to do that. That's not my style. It's a bit too aggressive for my taste. The other thing that we could be looking at and waiting for is a push into previous day's high. And we have a 1, 2, 3 here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. Though it's going to be different if we push up into that level. We have a 1, 2, 3 here. I'm going to be waiting for this for a while, see if we get a topping pattern, and then I can make my decision. FTSE seems to be starting to sell off a bit. We'll see if we get follow through on that. If we can, I'll be moving my stop loss down to the recent highs to lock in a few bucks more profit. I'm trading really small, so it doesn't really matter, but I think it's a good habit to have. So we have a large, very large bull bar, an inside bar. Looks like we're getting another inside bar. This still looks bullish to me, so I need to see a proper topping pattern because we're holding this trend line and just pushing higher. Maybe I should mark that up. Something like this. We're just holding it. Feel like we're like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes away or so from a topping pattern to show itself fully. It's great. The FTSE actually closed underneath. And we'll see if we get further follow through now or not. But I have adjusted my TP, so that my stop loss. We have double inside bar, double inside bar. Trying to push higher, failing. We're starting to break the trend line. This is starting to look like an M. Could start if you're very, very aggressive. I guess you could start shorting as this is starting to engulf right here after this bull bar, a bear bar here. That could be done. For me, that is not ideal as a thing, but I can see why people would do that, especially after now we have a 1, 2, 3. So this is starting to be an M engulfment entry, probably because of the spread will be somewhere here, just close to the bottom of that. FTSE's coming back, man. Just not wanting to sell off at all. Oh well. We're at the EMA now on the 1 minute, 5 minute. Still pretty far away. Looks like that was the entry that I've called here. I'm not entering here. I thought we're going to get a larger topping pattern, but it doesn't look like that's the case. Oh, starting to push a bit higher on EA. It just simply felt premature for me to do a short here. I would like to see an attempt to go higher and fail. What you do need to be aware of is this. We have a potential slide off top that could come in. So we could have 1, 2, 3 and fail, and then we can go roll over, and that would be a higher probability short, in my opinion, that I'd be willing to take. Also could be that rather than having a slide off top here, we're gonna get a larger M structure and then a sell-off. Another option, a possibility. Another possibility is we're just gonna get a small bounce here and sell off. That's the case. That's not going to be my short. I would like to see a clear move back up and then for a short go in. Looks like I might get that option. In this case, you will go short here. Go short here. Stop loss probably up here. There we go. EA has sold off. So indeed, this short here was correct. Not getting a third one. And this is over. How unfortunate.